Every credit repair business owner that's ever listened to this advice has increased their show up rate by 60%. What that advice is simply, when someone's going to schedule an appointment with you guys, you want to make sure that they can only schedule 3 days in advance from the current days. So that means that they go to your calendar to book an appointment. They cannot book an appointment a week from now, a month from now. The appointment's only set the same day, the next day, or the day after that. The reason that's important is because you want to talk to your leads as soon as possible, because that's when they're impulsive. That's when they're ready to make a decision. Number 2 is you don't want them to forget. So if they book an appointment with you 2 weeks later, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to show up because they forgot. What's cool about this is you can actually automate this, so you don't have to do this every time that someone books an appointment. You want to make sure 30 minutes before the appointment that you send out a text message to confirm that they're going to show up to the call. And if they don't confirm, then cancel the call, because you don't want to waste your time with someone that doesn't respect your time. And the secret to all this is that it can be automated. Click